In the near lane, Ed Meyer in a 68 Shelby Mustang 428 automatic. In the far lane, Gary Grillo in a 72 Trans Am 455 HO automatic. Watch Grillo's staging technique, bumping the front tires into the stage beams to allow maximum front tire rollout and less chance of a red light. Meyer wins with a 14:28 95.54 to a quicker but losing 14:27 98.46. Chet Varner puts on a good show and goes for it in his 69 Mustang 428 4-speed. Chet turns a 14 flat 100.22 to end the first round of junior stock big block.